So I'm going to show you one of the newest products from Chemical Guys. This is our brand new Foam Blaster 6, the 6th generation foam blasting gun. It's designed to use with your hose. So you don't need a pressure washer. You can use this at home with your garden hose quickly and easily. This new model is really cool. It contains a plastic outer shell, has 6 settings on the top, 0 through 5, so that gives it 6 settings, and it also has brass fittings, which means that the brass fittings last much longer than a plastic fitting, so they're not going to get harmed by hard water. It also has a removable spout at the top, so this is if you're going to store it, you don't have a chance of breaking this off. You can easily take it off and put it right back on. Plus, you can even change the direction by angling it if you want the spray to spray vertical, or you can have it spray horizontal. Really cool option. It also comes with an improved sprayer handle. So the hose handle will spray so you can rinse down your car. Has a quick release brass fitting, and it's very high quality. It's not a cheap unit, it's very high quality and built to last.